Tom's chasing dreams in a broken downtown. Donald quacks loud, never backing down. Dusty roads lead where the shadows frown. Life between the scream and the silent sound. Tom got lost in a whiskey haze. Donald's feathers ruffled, fighting worldly maze. Both search for meaning through the smoky days, beneath the city's neon blaze. Tom and Donald buckle under moon's cruel game. Two rebels lost, can't nobody worldly maze. Both search for meaning through the smoky days, beneath the city's neon blaze. Tom and Donald buckle under moon's cruel game. Two rebels lost, can't nobody tame. Whispered tales of freedom, set hearts aflame. In the night they dance in the wild untamed. Tom's guitar strums through the motel rain. Donald's wings flap, breaking chains frame. Tales of laughter, sorrow, joy, and pain, crashing through the chords again and again. Tom's eyes gleam with a rusted dream. Donald's voice echoes, fills the silent scream. In the heart's theater, a twisted theme, like tearing apart at the breaking seam. Tom and Donald buckle under moon's cruel game. Two rebels lost, can't nobody tame. Whisper tales of freedom, set hearts aflame. In the night they dance in the wild untamed.